For this episode of In the Kitchen, we're going to be making delicious homemade ravioli.
First, get a pound of flour and put it on a clean surface. Then, put about 3 eggs into it in a volcano shape and start kneading. Add more eggs or flour if need be until you can knead it into a nice smooth ball. This may take a while.
Once you're done, wrap your dough in a layer of wax paper and let it sit for 30 minutes.
Alright, first thing after unwrapping the dough is to put it on a flat, clean surface and start rolling it out as thin as you possibly can.
We should have floured the counter. That's what we needed the flour for!
No!
Keep rolling it out with flour and then start on the cheese.
In a bowl, add ricotta cheese, mozzarella, and parmesan in any portions you want, and also add basil. And mix that well because it's going to be your filling. Just be very delicate.
What the dog doing?
Now, dollop your filling onto 1/2 of your dough in a checkered pattern.
Alright, so fold the other half over the filling side until you can see the bumps. Then get any tool you have like a pizza cutter and cut around the bumps to make nice even shapes.
Plop them into your pot of boiling water and cook them for about 7 minutes.
Don't forget to stir. Optionally, you can drizzle butter or tomato sauce, as well as basil, over the pasta.
Now we're all done with our ravioli.
Enjoy! From FHS Studios, this is Jack Barry.
And I'm Tyler Garofalo. Safe cooking flyers.